Hi there, Barbara Vandermeulen with Spears & Associates Real Estate Team. Here today. Just want to show you a little bit of Stuart downtown right now, and I am going to just kind of walk through town here a little bit and show you what we have to offer. Here I'm actually on, this is the River Walk, which is really cool in the evening. It's all lit up, and a lot of people, they come out and have a little dinner, take a nice walk along the river here, and then of course, wouldn't it be great to live right here, right in town? All the restaurants and shops are nice and close by. Here's a real nice restaurant right here. I like being outside. Right there is I think that's the Roosevelt Bridge. And then you have condos over there, a marina. Feel like you're in the Keys, but you're in Stuart. And then right here is a place that they have, a lot of times they have music here. Right on the water. Everyone usually just sits right there. We'll go up here and I'm going to show you some downtown. I think it's kind of nice to show you some of the area rather than just showing you houses every time. Although you have to know where you want to move. This is called the Boathouse right here. Plenty of parking there. As you can see, that's where they usually have some outdoor concerts. This is appropriate. Riverwalk Cafe and Oyster Bar. Great place to eat. Got lots of choices here. Mulligan's Beach House, another good restaurant. This is where the nightlife happens. A lot of times they have outdoor concerts. You like to just walk around town. I'm just going to go down this street here a little bit just to show you the different shops. There's the movie theater right there. They have trolleys that pick you up, and if you have to park kind of a little far. There we go, some shops. Hot sauce, you like hot sauce? Here's another one. You can kind of see. Got a little bit of everything here. Jewelry, sandals. Over here again, Lyric Theater. Here's one of our coffee shops, Stuart Coffee. Clothing stores. More clothing stores. So if you like to shop, it's kind of nice. You just park and walk through town here. Go fish. There we go. Little specialty shop. Well, you kind of got the idea. A little bit of everything here in Stuart. So you should come on down, check it out. Especially in the evening. As I said, it's a lot of fun down here. And of course there's many other streets here, but I'm just kind of giving you this one particular street and trying to give you a little idea what the area is like. Nice little hometown, Stuart. All right. Let us know what else you'd like to see. We'd be happy to give you the tour.